Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So this vehicle comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio. There's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this, you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and the car has cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.